Welcome to the course for TSQL programming and scripting. In this session, we are going to learn how to generate a script to kill multiple of active process or SPID for SQL database in SQL Server. So why it is very important? Because what will be going to be happen if you are going to perform any operation in any database, like if you want to restore something database, and if the database is in use, you cannot perform anything, right? Or otherwise you have to make offline of the database, right? So that time also the database, who those are using the database, you have to kill the all process. If the process is 1 or 2, it's very simple. You can kill it like just so what is the command for killing that process? That command is select star from sys.sys processes, and you can filter with the database where db id is equal to db underscore id, and I will give the name of the database. Database name it adventure work. Just I will give here and I will run this. So it is going to give me the result, which are the process it is running for this database, adventure work database. If you want to perform any operation for this database, you will not able to perform because this database is in use, right? But the problem it is, like if it is the single process, I'm not talking about root blocker here. Nothing is root blocker. If you will see, there is no root blocker, because sometime what will be happen, if the root blocker means one process is blocking other, then you will kill the root blocker automatically, everything is going to killed. But some of the time what happen, there will be no root blocker, but like you have the table, right? 1 2 3 400 200 table will be there, right? And they are like 50 people is using the each table, and there is a active transaction for that, and you have to kill this all at a time. So it is very difficult to no just go with one by one, kill 53, kill 57, 58. That is difficult right now. Continuously I have used this, so its speed is came in this fashion. But sometime it will 53, then 103, 108, 200, something like that it will come. So it is very difficult to kill the process. For that, it's a very simple thing. Using the script, you will able to do this, right? So how to generate this script? So you can write select, um, and select means what you want to print. So if you want to kill 53, what are you writing? You are writing the kill direct 53, right? So I have to generate the script. So if I will run my script, so SQL Server will automatically, it will give itself, it will give the which thing we have to run to kill the all process. So that one we are going to generate. So what we will do, right? Select kill. If I'm going to execute only this much, you will see it is kill, it is coming. After kill, what I want 53, and whatever active process is available, right? So what I will do after this, I will add plus mark, right? After adding plus mark, I have to give like speed, right? And then from this process, if I'm going to run this, it will not give the result for me. I will just copy it. Why it will not give the result? Because the number speed, it is giving at the integer value, right? If I'm going to execute this sys processes, this speed is integer, right? But kill, it is not an integer, it is a character. So if you have to change this, so we have to change the data. If I'm going to run this, right, it will fail. It will not give that object name is sys dot. It is not a problem, it is process. Okay, if I'm going to execute this, what is the result? I will get something like converting the varchar value. I will not get the result because the data conversion we have to do, because what I want to write, it is the kill, that is the different data type, and split, it is a different data type. So that's why you will not get the result. Instead of using split, if I'm going to use this one status, STA status. If I am going to use the status, then this will give the result. But I am using that speed, it will not giving the result. So what we have to do, we have to go with the data conversion. And if you want to convert the data, I am not going with a more deeper into this. Just I will tell you, there is two function is available in SQL Server. One is cast and second one is convert. You can use any one to convert the data conversion. Okay, so I can go with the first convert. That is also very simple. Convert, convert. After convert, which one I want to convert? I want to convert this in varchar. So I will write varchar, and I have to give that how much I want space on this. So that is the 3. And after that, you have to write this speed, means this one. Which one you want to convert, right? After that, you have to make the bracket. So if you are going to do this, this is going to give you the result, right? Right now you can see, but what I am facing here, kill 53, it came in one time, right? So if I will do this one, it will not work. I need the space between kill and 53. So what I will do, I will just make the space here only. So now if I will execute this, I will get the correct result, right? Same thing you will able to do from cast also. Cast, how you will do? Select what you have to try. Same thing, kill, give the one space, then give the plus symbol, and cast, give the bracket symbol. What you have to write, which one you want to cast, which one you want to convert. I want to convert speed. What? As varchar. I want to convert into varchar, right? And I have to close the bracket, and then I have to write from sys processes where dbid is equal to db_id, and between that you have to provide the database name. This is also the same only. Converting the data, this one you can do from either cast or either convert. Then also you are getting it. After that, you have to copy this all. So if you want to copy it, it's very simple. You can use the Control T. Control T means test. If you press Control D means result will come in the test format. And if you have to execute this, once you will execute this, every result will be displayed into this, right? And just you copied it. Go with the new query window, made it, and just execute. In one time, everything has been killed. Now you will not see anything here. Okay, kill 53 and 59, because 53 and 59 is my process only. 53 is this process only. We cannot kill our process. So, so you can kill this. You cannot own this 53. Okay, 53 kill, but 69 you cannot kill. So you can make this some different. So now you go and run. Okay, so now everything is done. 53 is mine process only, right? For the adventure. That's why it is giving that error. So like that, you will able to kill this process easily. So the thing is, what I want to tell you, same thing, like if you have if you have to drop multiple of database and the name should be start with this, so you can create the script, or otherwise you have to drop multiple of table, multiple of views, right? And you know that prefix is this. So using prefix also, you will filter it like how I have filter here with the database name. Like that, we will filter with the prefix. So that one we are going to discuss into the next video. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much. Please continue my next video. And one more thing, guys, please, if you want to learn the PowerShell scripting and automation for SQL Server DBA, please go and buy this course from the Udemy. I will provide the link, or otherwise you can call me or you can ping me. And there is one more course on Udemy I have created, that is called PowerShell for HTML health check report. If you want to build the health check report using the PowerShell for SQL Server, that one also you will able to do. Or you want to learn the PowerShell scripting, how to generate the PowerShell for the SQL Server, for the DBA database administrator. So that is also the Udemy course I have published. Now I am just very soon I will go and I'm going to publish the TSQL programming for SQL Server, DBA or developer. Very soon it will be going to be launched in Udemy. So please watch my video, please subscribe and like my video. Please go to Udemy course and buy my course. You have any doubt, you can ping me. I will be always available for you. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.